Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to create a playlist on Spotify. So first thing you gotta do is open Spotify. You can make a playlist for your pet, a road trip, a gym session, or anything. Pick your device for how to create, edit, and delete playlists. So what you're gonna do is tap your library on the bottom part of the screen. Then tap the plus sign on the upper right corner of the screen. Then create a playlist and give your playlist a name. Then press create. Then tap to add songs or choose from our recommendation. You can also edit the playlist. To edit, press the three dot. You can add and edit, add to queue, and add to other playlists. So that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!